I think that there are a lot of creators who are making content not knowing why they're creating it, and they're just following the latest trend that's getting views, or they're making content just to get views and not actually going inwards and unlocking and getting clarity on why do I want to create? Who am I as a creator? What do I stand for? What is my mission? What is my why? And I think that that is so important to start at the beginning of your content creation journey, or whenever you wake up to that. That mission, that why for creating has gotten me through all the times I wanted to quit. It's really empowered me and motivated me to continue, and is underneath everything that I do. And then also what it creates is more quality content on the internet. Like, we have enough bullshit content that's just mushing people's brains. Like, we could use content that's heart centered, that's really coming from within the soul of the creator. And anything coming from your soul is going to speak to people.